Atoms are very small, meaning even in a small sample of a substance, there are huge numbers of atoms and molecules in it. Referring to the actual number present isn't realistic, and instead a unit called the mole is used. 1 mole has a value of 6.022 times 10 to the 23. Just like 1 dozen of something equals 12, 1 mole of something equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23. In the same way as 2 dozen atoms means 24 atoms, 2 moles worth of atoms means 1.2044 times 10 to the 24 atoms. 2 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23. Equally, half a mole's worth of atoms would be 3.011 times 10 to the 23, half of 6.022 times 10 to the 23. When dealing with amounts in chemistry, it is nearly always a mole's worth of something we are referring to, sometimes described as molar quantities. For example, with equations for reactions, it is actually the number of moles of each reactant and product involved that the ratio in the equation is referring to. The equation 2H2 plus O2 forming 2H2O means 2 moles worth of H2 molecules react with 1 mole's worth of O2 molecules to form 2 moles worth of H2O molecules. This is why equations can sometimes have half values in. As we aren't actually referring to half a molecule, we are referring to half a mole's worth of that molecule. 1 mole's worth of a molecule will contain more than 1 mole's worth of atoms. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen, H2 molecules, will contain 2 moles of hydrogen atoms, as each molecule contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. Meaning to make 1 mole of hydrogen molecules, 2 moles of hydrogen atoms are needed. 1 mole of water molecules, H2O, will contain 2 moles of hydrogen atoms and 1 mole of oxygen atoms. 3 moles worth of atoms in total.